Hey everybody, it's me, Marilyn, and I am doing my first live YouTube video blog. Tonight's topic is going to be about cell phones and the abuse of cell phones. You know everybody, cell phones are awesome to have, you know, the technology we have out there. You know, we can use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and send pictures and videos. It's awesome, it's amazing when you're using these cell phones for the good use. I see a lot of abuse with cell phones. My son and I have a rule in our home when he lived here. When we watch TV or eat dinner, spend quality time, or even when we went out to the movies or to dinner, we would put our phones upside down or on vibe or turn them off completely so we could spend that quality time together. Now he's gone off to college and stuff, and technology lets me stay in touch with Skype, which is awesome. The other day I was eating at a Mexican restaurant by myself. I do that a lot since I'm single. And I noticed a table across me with like 7 adults. Well, not adults, but there were some teenagers and adults at that table with a little child. And I, thought it was pretty weird that that table was really quiet for that many people being at the table. I would glance and look over there, and I think people texting or twittering or whatever they're doing and not even paying attention to each other. I was in that restaurant for like about 45 minutes, and they probably talked 3 or 4 times, but in increments of 2 to 3 minutes. They don't realize the time they're missing of learning about each other. I would do anything for my family to be out here and have dinner with them, or even my friends, and sit there with our phones off and talk and say, hey, how was your day? What's happening? But that didn't even happen at that table. I glanced over again. I seen the little baby wanting more food. And the mother turns around and she grabs a little item and puts it in his mouth. And then she turns back and she is texting on her phone. Very, very sad. She didn't even cherish the moment with that child. Another prime example is I was at the marina walking, and I seen a lady at the little playground with her kid, and she's pushing the kid on the swing, and then she's texting on her phone or whatever she's doing, and she pushed the kid, and the kid was like screaming and laughing, and the joy of that child's voice to me was more pleasurable than to the mother, because she was too busy in her other world of texting. If her phone had a camera or a video, she could have videotaped that child and kept that memory or pictures, but no, she decided to go ahead and text. I'll have those memories forever. It's the time that you can't get back, that when you're constantly on your cell phone and not giving your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your mother, your father, your kids, you can't get that time back. Spend time with them. I've been to friends' houses before, and then they're on the phone texting. It's like, why do I even come over? Have some respect and have one-on-one with me. But it's just a really nasty habit. I hope somebody out there will get the message from this, because I know it's a really abusive out there. 2 years ago, I used to be addicted to my cell phone also, and texting. And it took a while for me to just like get in the habit of turning it off. And when I'm with people that I love, you can't get time back, that time with your loved ones. When you're with your husband or your wife or your domestic partner and you're watching a movie or even just a football game, give them that quality time. Put your phone down. What is so important to you that you can't spend that one-on-one just watching a movie? It's not taking a lot from you. You're just taking time away with that person that you're in love with. Your children are the most important things to you, and you should be playing with them instead of or on Facebook or this addiction that we all have. I hope this video helps one person out there to put their phone down for a while, or we can start a trend and everybody starts doing this and spend quality time with your loved ones. I'm telling you, you're going to regret it. One day they'll be gone and you're going to wish you had that time with them. Well, I hope you enjoy Marilyn's first blog. I probably pissed off some people and that are watching it, because reality just hit you. You guys have a good night. God bless, and I hope you enjoy the video. Ciao.